Okay, so welcome back to video lesson number 2. If you have not done the on your own problem, then please again pause this video, try this problem on your own, and when you're done, come back to the video to check your answers. Okay, so you should have this all done, showing your work. Now this is time for you to check. So the final answer for this should be that it's 1, 5 as your solution. X value is 1 and Y value will be 5. And here's the work. This is step 2 here, step 3, and step 4. So step 2, step 3, and step 4. Now, I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to explain to you for people who want more explanation. Otherwise, if you are sure that you got it, then you can move on to the video lesson number 3. But I would highly recommend you to just watch through it even if you got the right answer, okay? So step 1 is to pick your blob. Solve equation for either x equals or y equals. And if you look at it, this is already done for you. Both of these equations are written as y equals. So step 1 is done. But which one are you going to choose as the blob? And I will choose this one because this one looks easier. It's shorter. So this will be my blob, the blob. That's step 1. Now, step 2, I'm going to plug in that blob into the other equation. So if the other equation is y equals 2x plus 3, and my blob is y equals, and it says y equals 5x, so I'm going to put that 5x into where y is in the other equation. So erase that. I'm going to substitute the blob into the other equation. Then I'm going to solve by subtracting 2x both sides. Then I get 3x is equal to 3. Divide by 3 both sides to solve for x. Then I get x is equal to 1. So from step 2, I found that x is equal to 1. So I only found half of my answer. X is equal to 1 because it's x comma y, and I only found x so far. So I want to use the answer from step 1 to get my y value. So now let's go to our step 3. And step 3 is to find the other variable, which will be y in this problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an easier equation. Should I use the first one or the second one? Which one looks easier to you? Let's go with the second one because it's shorter. So it's y equals 5x. And I'm going to plug in x equals 1 into this equation. So instead of x, x will be 1. Then y is equal to 5 times 1 is 5. So y value is 5. Put that into your order pair, 1, 5. Filled in, that's your final answer. You found the answer from step 2. Plug it in any of these equations, whatever looks simpler, and get your y value, and you're done. If you have any questions, please write them down. If you have anything that confuses you, just maybe you can raise your hand and check with Ms. Park right away. Otherwise, you can move on to video lesson number 3 for example number 2. Thank you.